Great day everyone! Welcome back to Ramz tutorial. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated on my latest videos. Today viewers, we're going to discuss or tackle different topics. Welcome back again to Ramz tutorial. Welcome back again my dear viewers. We're going to discuss about estimating sums and differences. But remember, to estimate the sum or differences, we are going to first give the number to the desired place value before adding or subtracting rather. Remember that we noticed that in estimating to the nearest thousand is closer to the actual sum than we estimate to the nearest 10,000. In this case, it is better to round the digits to the lower place value to get the estimate that is closer to the actual sum. However, if you want to get a quick estimate mentally, round the numbers to the higher place value of the number. Estimation class is useful in solving different problems. Here, can solve different problems, so estimations is useful in solving different problems, either before or after solving the problem. We can tell if the solution makes sense if the actual answer here, I'm going to find first the actual sum. If the actual answer here, when rounded, is near to the estimation product or estimation sum or estimating difference. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction. Here we go. We are going to give first, I'm going to give you, my dear viewers, the actual sum of the first given equations, and then I'm going to give you the estimating sum or estimating difference. But in number one, we are going to estimate first the sum. We have 27,873 plus 32,912. All we have to do is we're going to add first ones according to place value, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s place value. Okay, first we're going to solve the actual sum. We have 3 plus 2. We're going 3 plus 2. So we're going to write here our sum. Next 7 plus 1. So we're going to write our answer here. Next 8 plus 9. So we're going to regroup because 8 and 9, that's 17. So regroup our number. Then we're going to add 7 and 2 according to place value, thousands place. So we're going to regroup down 0, regroup 1, 2, 3, and 1. We're going to write our actual sum is 60,788. This will be our actual sum. Next, we're going to proceed to our estimated sum. First is 27,873. We're going to round up from thousands place value. We're going to round up 30,000 automatic. This one is automatic 0, like this. Next, 2. We have 32,912. 2 is what we called rounding down. So we're going to write here 30,000. Okay, so remember, your estimated sum is nearest to the actual sum. Okay, so we bring down 3 zeros, then plus. Okay, this will be our estimated sum. Okay, my dear viewers, so this is what we call nearest to our actual sum and estimated sum. Therefore, this is very useful and therefore our answer is correct. That is how you are going to estimate. Remember, in rounding up or rounding down, the number starts for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is rounding up. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is rounding down. Next is the actual sum for number 2. We have given equations 587,876 minus 351,734. So we're going to what we call find the actual difference. So we have first 6 minus 4. So we're going to write here our answer. 2, 7 minus 3. We're going to write our answer below here. 8 minus 7, we're going to write our answer here. Next, 7 minus 1, so we're going to regroup it. I know, we're going to subtract it. No need to regroup because this is difference. Next, 8 minus 5, then we're going to write. Then 5 minus 3. So this will be our actual difference. Next, estimate the difference. For 587,876, so we're going to write here 600,000. Next is 3, it's 4. Bring down. So our near estimated difference is 200,000 and our actual difference is 236,000. This is okay. Okay, my dear viewers, remember you need to estimate your answer. This is very easy when you estimate difference. It's quietly what you call that easy for you to subtract. Whereas in actual difference, I'm going to show you how to subtract it one by one. Okay, from the given equations, that's 1 and 2. Okay, remember again, class, to estimate the sum or to estimate the difference of numbers, first to the desired place value before adding, before subtracting the given equations. So let us gear it up. Number 3. So we have our number 3, 489,964. Okay, we're going to subtract it. First, estimated difference and estimated what we call sum here in number 5. Okay, let's subtract first 4 and 2. So we're going to write here our answer. 6 minus 2, so we're going to write it here. It must be cleared. 9 minus 5. So it should be cleared. 9 minus 1. And 8 minus 1. 4 minus 2. This will be our actual difference. Actual difference. 270,442. Now we are going to proceed to estimated difference. We are going to estimate 489,964. Since 8 is rounding up, we're going to write here 500,000. Careful, class. 211,522 since 1 is rounding down. So we're going to write here 2. Automatic zeros. Subtract it. All we have to do, we're going to bring down zeros. Then we need to subtract 5 and 2. 1, 2, 3. So this 1. Okay. This will be our estimated difference. It's near to our actual difference. Next, we're going to proceed for number 4. Our given equations is 89,000 or problem, 562 and 23,736. So we're going to find first the actual difference by solving it. Please follow, guys. 2 minus 6. So remember, we need to clarify, my dear viewers, that 2 cannot be, so we will borrow from 6. 6 become 5. There are certain cases like this. So we're going to bring down 6. 5 minus 3, 2. There are some times that we need to regroup, class, in order that your answer is correct. Next, 5 minus 7. This one is we're going to borrowed from 9. 9 becomes 8. Careful, class. 17 minus 7. That is... So, remember, so y become 15, it's just because 5 borrowed from 9 and 9 becomes 8. Okay, next. This is our answer. Okay, Next 8 less 3, so we're going to write. Then 8 minus 2, so we're going to write. So again, my dear pupils or students, this will be our actual difference. Next, we're going to estimate it. So 89,562 becomes 90,000. So 23 is 20,000. Bring down 3 zeros. Then we are going to subtract 9 and 2. That's 70,000 is our estimated difference. Next, 5. We're going to proceed to number 5. 34,893. So we are going to estimate first 34, since this is rounding down, so we're going to write first 30,000. Next, 13,276 rounding down becomes 10,000. So we're going to estimate first. I'm going to add first here. So our estimated sum 40,000. So let's go back to our actual sum. So 3 plus 6, this is 9. So 9 and 7, 16. Regroup plus 1 plus 8, 9 plus 2, we have 11. Regroup 1 above 4 because 4 is the next number to be added. So here, then next 3 and 1. So this will be our actual sum. My dear viewers, especially to graders, like that. Next, estimate the difference first. So we're going to estimate 89,321. 9 is rounding up. So we're going to write first 90,000. 36,148. 6 is rounding up, becomes 40,000. Subtract, so we need to do this first. Next, 9 and 4. So we have 5. This will be our estimated difference. Next, let's proceed to actual. 1 minus 8 cannot be. 1 becomes 11. 2 becomes 1. So 11 minus 8. So we're going to write here, class, our answer. Next, 1 minus 4 cannot be. Borrowed from 3. 3 becomes 2. 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 4. So we're going to what we call clarify, class. That's 2 becomes 1. Then 1 becomes 11. So now 1 borrowed from 3 becomes 11 and 3 becomes 2. Okay? We're going to write here. Next, 2 minus 1. We're going to write 1. 9 minus 6. Next, 8 minus 3. This will be our actual difference. 53,000. Next, number 7. So let's have first here 985,287. We're going to round it off. We have 100,000 minus, that's 123,000. So since this is what we called, okay, so we need to what we call here 700, so 2001. So later we will do that. First we're going to subtract 7 minus 5, so we have 2. 8 minus 3, so we have 5. So 7 minus 2 cannot be, so 2. We're going to regroup it, becomes 12. 5 becomes 4, so 12 minus 7. Okay, we're going to write 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 2, so we have 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we have first our actual difference. Actual difference. So remember class, here, in giving the actual difference, 985,287, when we're going to actually estimate it, it becomes 100,000. So this one is 123,000. So we are going to estimate it to 100,000. So there is no actual difference yet. So in order to find another ways, so because this is 0 actually, so we have another what we called waste on how to estimate it in order to what we call give or to find the actual difference between the given questions. So we have since 985,287, so our subtrahend is 123,000. So we can replace that, we can change it instead of giving 100,000. So we can estimate it to 900,000. Why? Because there are certain cases that we need to what we call break the rules and what we call estimating the difference, like this in number 7 equations. You need to break the rules. Why? Because when you are going to you are going to estimate it, there is no actual difference. So this one is the second method. Another method, so we need to bring it down 3 zeros. So when you subtract it, 1 minus 9, it will give 800,000, which is nearest to our actual difference class. So no need to feel afraid that your answer is incorrect. Why class? This is certainly case or rarely case also that there are some what we call given equations from our teachers that we might do something what we call another waste, just like this in number 7. We break the rules in estimating differences. So as we have seen class, it's nearly 800,000 to 861,000. This is correct, right? I hope I can give you what you call another techniques. That's quietly exciting, all right? Okay, so we're going to proceed to number 8 class. No need to worry about that. So that is my techniques or tricks in solving estimating differences and what we call sum. Next is number 8 class, estimating sum. So we're going to estimate first 34,000 to 893. 4 is rounding down, so we need to write 30,000. 13, so rounding down 3, we have 10. Okay, we're going to bring down 3 zeros. 1 plus 3, so we have here our estimating sum is 40,000. Estimating sum. Next is our actual sum. 3 plus 6, 9. So 9 and 7, 16, regroup 1. 11, regroup 1. So 8. 3 plus 1, that's 4. So it's correct, 48,169. That's quite linear. Next, number 9. Second to the last number class. So we need to estimate first 345,000. So I think this is 300,000. 12,123. So 0, 0, 0. So 10,000. Okay, we need to bring down all zeros. So we have 31,000 estimated sum. Okay, please keep on watching. This one is actual sum. 5 plus 3, so we have 8 class. 1 plus 2, we have 3. 6 plus 1, we have 7. So 5 plus 2, we have 7. 4 plus 1, 5. So 3. So we have 357,738. So our estimated sum is 31,000. let's proceed to the last number class, which is what we call 12,345 and 15,621. So we're going to have first estimated sum. Next, 15,000 becomes 11,000. Bring down 3 zeros, 1. So we have 21,000. Next, for our actual sum. 5 plus 1, guys, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 6. So we have 9, 7, and 2. So 27,966 are actual sum and 21,000 are estimated sum. Okay? Hope guys, viewers, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Ramz tutorial channel. God bless and bye-bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.